Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to prepare rice paper dumplings. So things required to make rice paper dumplings are mid-sized onion, mid-sized tomato, mid-sized capsicum. These are the oregano pouches I got from Domino's. Ketchup pouches I got from McD. So you can use ketchup and oregano powder. 2 small cloves of garlic. This is around 200 grams of paneer. I'll be using half of it, that is 100 grams of paneer. Rice paper, of course, you can order this in from Blinkit. You would also require butter. So I'm using 1 chiplet of butter and some red chili powder. I'll be using around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So let's begin the preparation. This is one of my holy grails. So this is an electric portable chopper from Agaro. And yeah, this is not a sponsored one. I actually use it and I like it. First we have taken onion in this chopper and we will close its lid. And then there's a lock kind of a thing. So we'll just lock it and then, yeah, voila. We are done. So our onion has been chopped. We have taken chopped onion. Now we'll take tomato and put it in this jar again. So here are our chopped tomato. Now we'll take 1 capsicum and remove its calyx. We can say अब हम शिमला मिर्च का डेट निकालेंगे तो obviously हमको थोड़ा chop करना पड़ेगा. Now we'll also remove the seeds that are inside. So we have removed the seeds of capsicum, and now again we'll slit it and put it in chopper again. So we have the chopped capsicum. Now we'll take our 100 grams of paneer and grate it. So this is our grated paneer. Using the chopper, I have chopped the garlic cloves too. And now we'll get started with the preparation of the filling. Now we'll heat the gas and spray some oil. I actually am accustomed to using less oil, so I have bought in this oil sprayer. Now our wok is hot. Kadhai garam ho gayi. So we'll add in some cumin seeds, jeera. After this, we'll add garlic. Now we'll add some onion, some salt, capsicum, some more salt again. Now we'll add in chopped tomatoes, some salt again. Now we will cover this mixture on low gas flame for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. So after letting this cook for about a minute on low gas flame, we'll add in the paneer. Again we'll add in some salt, red chili powder as per taste, 2 oregano packets. So oregano, 1 ketchup pouch. You can also use the ketchup that you get from grocery stores. We'll mix everything up. Now we'll add in 1 chiplet of butter that we had taken earlier. Mix it well for about a half a minute. Now this is our filling for rice paper dumplings. Now we'll just turn off the gas and let it cool for around 10 to 15 minutes. So now the filling for rice paper dumpling is ready. We'll keep it aside. So for rice paper dumplings cover, we are going to use this rice sheets. These are available on Blinkit or Zepto or Swiggy Instamart. Now we will take 1 plate, pour some water into it, take 1 rice sheet, dip this rice sheet into water, completely and soak the rice paper sheet into water until it loses its hardness and becomes a little soft. This might take about 5 to 7 seconds. Once the rice paper sheet feels soft, we will take it and lay it on the chopping board. Now we'll put some filling at the center of the soaked rice paper sheet and wrap this soaked rice paper sheet around the filling like this. Voila, our rice paper dumpling is ready. Likewise, we will do for remainder 3 rice paper dumplings. Our rice paper dumplings are ready. Now we'll lit the gas and heat pan on it. Now the pan is hot, so we'll spray in some oil and put these seeds on the pan. Now we'll take these dumplings and shallow fry them. Now we'll flip these and voila, we are ready with our very own rice paper dumplings. So here we have our rice paper dumplings ready. Let's do the taste test. I loved it. The filling is amazing. It's just that the cover could have been more fried, more crunchy, I guess. Do try this recipe and give a big fat thumbs up if you like the video and my effort.